Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enter referral code on your Cambly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on referral code, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Here enter your referral code, just add it, then you click here on save here. So then it's going to add with you here on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.